Hey everyone, before we get started today, I wanted to let you guys know about a really great sale happening with Loly Vey. The sale runs for about a week and it's basically get whatever you want off the website. Save 20% off when you spend 50 or more, 25% off when you spend 75 or more, save 30% when you spend 100 or more, or save 35% when you spend $200 or more. Just go onto the website, put your stuff in the cart, and the discount will be applied automatically. So go onto the website, buy the things you want to buy. There's no kit this time. So if you want extra bottles, or maybe you want some extra mats or something completely different, it doesn't matter what you put in your cart. The more you put in, the more discount you get. Head on over to lolyvey.com. Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, it's Saturday. There's like a snowstorm outside. March 22nd. Hello, it's like spring already now, so what the heck, Mother Nature? I mean, I should know better and to expect snow in March, but it still sucks, especially because last week it was like 19 degrees outside and it was so nice, and now we just got teased. But what are you gonna do? Anywho, let me show you the dried results of the last video's painting. I'm stoked about this. The only thing I'm mad about is this white freckle here. It's a goober and I didn't notice it until after it had dried, so it was too late to take it out, but that's okay because I could either leave it or just take a little bit of paint and just kind of paint over it so it's not so stark white. But aside from that, look at how it dried. Look at that shimmer in there from the interference turquoise, the pearl violet, and the pearl blue. I love it. It is like, I really love this piece. So this is gonna get a nice coat of crystal resin. This is also a 14 by 18 inch canvas. Really quickly before I forget, Montreal is coming up fast. I'm going to be there in 2.5 weeks. So if you are interested in coming to see me in Montreal here in Canada, that's April 12th. You can come and see me there. I'm going to be teaching 3 classes that day. A blowout class, a bloom class, and a top coat resin class. All in one day, baby. Yep, that's me. So come and see me in Montreal, or if you're in the US, I'm going to be in Spokane, Washington, June 6th to 9th, and it is an all-inclusive, and I mean all-inclusive, lakeside retreat, okay? All you have to do is get there. So get to Spokane, get to the airport. They will pick you up from the airport and drive you to the cabins. You have lodging for the 4 nights or whatever it is. You get breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, alcohol, drinks. All of that is included with your fee that you're going to pay to sign up. You get 3 days or 2.5 days of classes with me. Chats by the fireside at night, all kinds of fun stuff. And it is a small, intimate event. It's not a huge event like FAE where there could be like 20 people in the class. So yeah, it's just a small little event, and I have 50% of my seats are sold. So if you are interested, the link to the website is in the description below. If you want to come and see me in Spokane, bring a friend, split the costs of the cabin, with your friend and stuff. So check it out. And if you have any questions, you can also email me and ask. Okay. So today I'm going to be doing the same colors as last time, but in one of my comments in my last video, someone had said it would be really pretty on a light blue base. Well, that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to do the same colors as last time, but I'm doing a light blue base. So this is Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam, but I have really lightened it up with just titanium white. And to be honest with you, I wish I could have lightened it up even more, but I kept adding more and more white, and I have 2 cups of this now. The other one's actually a bit darker. Where is it? Under my table. See? So I have even darker shades. So I've got this really light shade and a darker shade. And I'm like, I can't keep mixing white. I'm just going to be making tubs of paint and I'm not going to know what to do with it. So I would have preferred this to be a little bit lighter, but this will do. So that's sky blue light with titanium white. And then the colors are Pearl Blue by Holbein, Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam, Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. Then we have Prussian Blue Pthalo by Amsterdam. And then I have Interference Turquoise by Triart. And in the last video, I had a viewer ask, because Triart has different kinds of paints. So to answer your question, it is this, which is a fluid liquid acrylic paint. So it's the fluid one, okay? So if you want to know how I mix my paints with different brands, the ratios with my Floetrol and water, check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top for you newbies who want to know how I mix my paints. All right, I'm gonna flood my canvas and I'll be right back. Okay, canvas flooded. So today I've decided to do a different composition. I've done it before, but like years and years and years ago. So it's just basically going to be a V. That's what I'm going to do today. I thought I'd change it up. I'm going to change it up and do something different. So I'm going to go this way, and then I'm going to go up this way. And we'll see what happens. I don't know. We shall see. All right, so I've been super busy. I'm trying to make more spinners because I have a bunch of orders for people who want to buy my spinners. I have the small and the large spinner. If you're interested, you know, email me. But I'm also trying to get ready for Montreal. I feel like I did just get back from Texas, only to unpack my stuff. What is going on here? I've got a goober. Only to unpack my stuff and realize that I have to kind of pre-pack everything again and, you know, put it in the car and drive 8 hours to Montreal. So luckily Anthony's coming with me and we're doing the drive together and it's going to be good times. I can't wait. But yeah, there's so much to do and so little time to do it, and it's stressing me out on top of everything else I have to do, you know, kids, dogs, social media, keep up with my social media, all that stuff. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot to do, lots to do. All right, so last color, there we go, that's down. Let's pop the bubbles. All right, so I got to figure out how I'm going to blow this out. So I'm kind of going to start like up here. I don't want to start at the very bottom because I want to have enough paint to maybe go down in the opposite direction. So let's just start and see what happens. that was a very interesting blowout. I kind of flew by the seat of my pants on that one. Oh my gosh, the wind outside is insane. I'm trying to think, is there any parts I want to, as I like to say in my classes, bump out? What you can't see, but I can see, is there's a really clear border going around this petal here and then here. And that is likely one of the pearl, or actually it's probably the pearl. So when that dries, that'll show up all sparkly. So I'm wondering now, first off, I love it. I love the baby blue. I wish it was a little bit lighter, but that's okay. I'll get over it. But I'm starting to think like I might want to, maybe I should take my own advice and sit and look at it before I start messing with it, because once you mess with it, you can't take it back. The only part I think I want to mess with is this part right here. I just want to bump it out a bit. So I'm going to do that with the hair dryer. I'm going to bump it out with my mouth, actually. I just wanted to give it a ridge so that it wasn't a straight line. And now it's perfect. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so different composition-wise. It is so different from what I always do. See, this V-shaped thing would be much better suited on a bigger canvas. Maybe a 16 by 20 would have been probably a better idea, but it still worked. And I like the very little bit of negative space, and I still have the river of negative space in here. So I'm really happy with that. I love it. I cannot wait to see how this dries. Okay, I'm gonna touch up my edges and I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So before we get to the close-up, take your stick and we want to scrape the drips. Scrape those drips. Super important to do so. I already did the other 3 sides. Maybe come back 10 minutes later and do it a second time. The cells here, like here, 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 and here. Yeah, look how crazy that is. I'm really loving how this turned out. And the composition is pretty cool too. So it'll be very interesting to see how this is gonna look. Now, I know the pearls look better and best on a dark base, so we might not be able to see them too much on this light blue, but we'll definitely see it in between all the purple and the dark blue. But you can see here, see that border there? And it borders all the way around here, and you can see it bordering here too. So it'll be interesting to see how it looks when it's dry. But for now, let's turn the lights off and check out that shimmer. All right, the flash is on and there's definitely shimmer. My camera has to focus though. Oh, there we go. Nope, kind of. Oh, there we go. Camera has a mind of its own. There's some shimmer in there. Let's go over here. My camera's having a hard time focusing on these colors. I can't wait to see what this looks like when it's dry. See, my camera keeps doing funny things. I apologize. I can't do anything about that. But yeah, look at that. Okay, you can't see much because you can see it there a bit. But it'll be very interesting to see. See, look, there we go. Now she's focused. All right. Well, there you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you think about this in the comments below. Should be definitely interesting. I wonder what other base this would look good on. What about a cream? Like a very, very light cream, like titanium buff light, but even lighter than that. Like lighten it up with some white. I will still get back to my rainbow that I was doing like 2 videos ago, because I still want to try it like on a navy blue base. So maybe I'll just alternate. Maybe the next one will be a rainbow one. But I'm loving this. If anyone is interested in this, you know what to do. Email me. And then again, check the description below for, you know, all the information that you need. Links to my workshops coming up, links to discounts, all that fun stuff. So that is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.